I've been having nightmares about space ever since I was young, and had a teacher tell me that, oh, did you know that the stars in the sky that you see, if you see a shooting star, that star has been dead for a long time. You're just seeing the star. You're seeing the star at a different point of its life because it's already past, and you're seeing the past of a star. And then one time I got high as fuck, and I was looking up at the stars, and then I started thinking about, oh my god, I'm just a speck of dust in this big huge thing, and I don't know what's out there. What about the sun? And what about this? And what about that? And I had an existential crisis, and I don't like space. I didn't know that the planets make noise.
I did not know that, no.
Somebody sent that shit to me because... What? What is this?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I just got sent this. One Punch Joe.
Oh my god, you're One Punch Joe.
Yeah.
You should watch One Punch Man. It's good.
I watched the episode where he was like, I want to go grocery shopping. And it was like,
Oh!
that was the episode I saw.
That was
Yeah.
a good episode.
Yeah, I liked it.
He didn't want to miss the sale.
Wait, what?
He didn't want to miss the sale.
Yeah, he didn't want to miss a sale. One Punch Man, yes. Wait, so are you... planets make sounds?
They do make sounds.
What
Somebody
is
sent me a video because I do. I have like the point redemption stuff.
Yeah.
So I have like a watch so people can recommend videos for me to watch. And they sent me a video of all the sounds that all the planets make, and it's fucking terrifying.
Really? What? Wait,
Yes.
can you simulate what like one of those sounds are like?
Earth sounded like this. You could Google it. Go on YouTube and search planet sounds or whatever the fuck.
Planet
The sun sounds like. And then I think Uranus was like.
Really? Here, let's check this out. I'm curious.
It was fine. Yeah, they translate radio emissions into sound. Fuck those planets. Oh god damn it, no.
Why does the sun sound so uncomfortable?
Because it's an uncomfortable asshole.
Oh!
Look at it.
It's like fucking my ears.
The fucking sun. Fuck that sun.
This is what they mean by Mercury's in retrograde. All the hippie chicks.
Ugh. It makes my skin crawl.
Yeah, I feel like someone's just taking like a cock and just like swirling it around in my brain right now. That's what it feels like. Oh my god, Venus.
Venus? Fuck you, Venus. Jupiter sounds so stupid.
Oh,
Fuck
what the
Jupiter.
fuck?
That's
Earth.
the worst.
Earth sounds interesting. Oh, Mars sounds like a desert.
Saturn does have a creepy sound.
Jupiter. You said Jupiter was creepy?
Jupiter was stupid. Saturn was creepy.
Okay, Saturn. Here's Saturn. Oh my god! What the fuck?
Horrendous! Horrible! Fuck that
Oh,
shit!
what the fuck, dude? Uranus sounds like Hoth. Neptune. Well, you heard it here first. You heard it here first, folks. Saturn is officially haunted. Yes, Saturn
You
is
see? Saturn is haunted!